Hey, what's up? It's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery on the August Smart Lock. So here you can see the lock, and we'll go ahead and dig in, and let me show you how. So to go ahead and get this taken off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and push down on this A button right here, and you'll see that'll lift off the top. So we'll go ahead and just slide that off. Now, one of the things to realize with the August locks is it's not AA batteries. It's actually this CR2 lithium batteries. So I'll go ahead and put in a link so you guys can see which batteries those are. But that's as simple as it is you'll go ahead, put those back in, and then it's actually magnet. So you'll go ahead and just put this back on right here. And there you go. That's how you change the battery. So once again, you're just going to push down on that A button, get your finger right here, lift it off, take them off right here, put them back in. So there you go. That's how you change the batteries on the August Smart Lock. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.